Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel Today. We're checking out a kitchen essential that's perfect for families and gathering, the Crock-Pot 7-Quart Portable Programmable Slow Cooker with timer and locking lid. Let's dive in. This Crock-Pot model is not just your typical slow cooker. With a 7-quart capacity, it's large enough to serve over 7 people, making it ideal for family dinners, potlucks, or meal prepping for the week. The sleek stainless steel finish gives it a premium, modern look that fits beautifully in any kitchen. Plus, it's Amazon's choice product with 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 3,900 reviews. That says a lot about its quality and reliability. One of the standout features is the MyTime technology, which lets you personalize your cooking schedule. It automatically adjusts the cooking cycle so your meal is ready exactly when you want it. No more overcooked dinner. It also comes with a travel-proof locking lid, perfect for carrying dishes to parties or family gatherings without worrying about leaks or spill. With temperature auto adjustment, your meals are cooked evenly and packed with flavor every time. And the digital control panel makes it super easy to schedule meal times, control the cook time, and adjust temperatures manually. The cook and carry handles make transporting your slow cooker convenient, and cleanup is easy since the removable stoneware and glass lid are dishwasher safe. This crock-pot is made from sustainable and recyclable materials, including aluminum, stainless steel, and other eco-friendly metals. It's strong, durable, and designed to last. It runs on 120 volts with a powerful 1,500-watt heating system, ensuring your food cooks evenly and efficiently. If you're someone who loves slow-cooked stews, tender roasts, or soups, this is your go-to kitchen appliance. It's especially great for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone who wants a convenient, reliable way to cook large meals. The Crock-Pot 7-Quart Slow Cooker is priced around $99.99, down from $109.99, and even offers monthly payment option. Honestly, for the features, capacity, and quality, it's a fantastic value. So, if you're looking for a durable, stylish, and family-friendly slow cooker, the Crock-Pot 7-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker is a must-have in your kitchen. You'll find the Amazon link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews every week.